on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we will be painting our plastics. We will be painting them this cool gray Rust-Oleum. And I'm painting these plastics because you can see little scratches. The colors are fading. I took every plastic off and we will be putting new decals on it. Let's get to it. Let's do this one first. I will be painting it like this. I have a little string hook. Let's tie our first one on. Alright guys, I have my gear on. I have this paint. I already showed you it. It's just normal gray paint. And yeah, let's get the first one done. And yeah. There we go. Hi, bud. What do you want? Alright, guys, I have the next piece right here. And let's paint this one. It's looking not too bad. Alright guys, I got the plastics done. And here, we still need to clear them, which I'll show you that. But these are the plastics so far. Right, Copper? You like them? Alright, yeah, here's the front fender, the side panels, the number plate, and that. Here we go, they're all cleared. The first coat. Now we are gonna put these plastics right here on the dirt bike and the seat. I don't know how the seat will work, but I think it'll work. Like this video, subscribe, and I think this video was successful. The plastics are looking nice. Yep, but like and subscribe to Fish and Create, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.